Your safety while you're on the road is paramount, and the most important part of setting up a vehicle for safe towing is suspension. Hi, I'm Ken O'Keefe from The Ultimate Suspension. The Ultimate Suspension believes we have set up the ideal towing situation. A combination of safety, comfort and performance to make your touring holidays a memorable occasion for all the right reasons. Here we've got two vehicles with different suspension setups. The white one equipped with the Ultimate Suspension, the blue one fitted with standard suspension but aftermarket airbags. This one has been set up by the Ultimate Suspension team specifically for towing. This one hasn't. Let's see exactly how the two handle with 2 tonne of caravan behind them. You can see the rear in the standard vehicle sagging low because the suspension can't handle the weight. With a setup like this, it only takes a slight swerve and you're going to experience serious trailer sway, just like this. And because of how the weight is distributed, your brakes are going to be considerably less effective, as you can see here. So for an all-round, better effect, more efficient brakes, we recommend the use of DBA rotors and pads. We've installed a suspension setup onto this one, and it has been specifically made to distribute the weight evenly across the tow vehicle. Straight away you can see just how more stable this vehicle is. The rear is sitting level with the rest of the vehicle, and when we swerve, the driver maintains full control. On the test track it's quite obvious between the vehicle with the DBA brakes and the standard vehicle. Our experience in developing aftermarket suspension solutions extends right back to 1975. And in that time, we've perfected our tow vehicle systems, from aftermarket suspension right up to GVM upgrades. We have ultimate solutions to all your unique needs. We also supply some of the best customer service in the business. We ensure that each and every one of our customers leaves completely satisfied. The Ultimate Suspension, designers of suspensions to meet your individual requirements. So for any special application, whether it's a workhorse, family passenger vehicle, tow vehicle or a light commercial truck, call in to see us from the corner of Williamson Road and Noonan Road, Ingleburn, or give us a call on 02 9618 7674 for an obligation-free quotation.